What
Yeah,
if
it's always
gawin
a
ko
big
to?
what if, no?
Try ko. I might fail, but also what if I won't fail? What if probably I end up liking it? And I mean, all of us here right now, parang lahat tayo ganun yung, try ko nga. Paisa lang. Try ko lang tong one time na to. Biglang, boom. Here we are.
Yeah.
Welcome to Kaka Computer Mayan! And ang topic naman natin ngayon is the art of the hobby, turning fandom into performance. Wow, performative females!
Performative geeks, guys.
And alam ko, sure ako dito, halos lahat sa atin. It's either fan talaga or nag-host or may other skills talaga na uplifting to the community. And let's start po with you. Anong ganap mo, syempre?
Okay, so hi, I'm Diana. Currently, I am now working with a game publisher. So working with Joymaker Interactive Games.
Shout out, Joymaker Interactive.
Yes.
Hello po!
Hi, boss. Our company is in China, actually. So hindi nila ito maintindihan. But, I guess I'll be handling, hindi siya I guess, I will be handling the soon-to-be-released Ragnarok Origin Classic and RO3. Yan. And then before this, I was with Mineski. So ano naman, game or pop culture events din. So yun.
So isang
So
talaga, isang
interesting.
ikot. Basically. It goes full circle, guys.
Sobrang liit ng
interesting.
industry. Everyone knows everyone, I guess.
That's
Or
true.
everyone's familiar with everyone. And ako si Ray. I'm a shoutcaster host. So I do for games particularly, pero nagpa-publisher side din ako of things, pero more on like the marketing side. So, pero ngayon talagang nasa part ako ng influencer marketing. And I still do shoutcasting ng Valorant for a living.
Valorant.
So, yan ang ginagawa ko.
I see.
Games pa rin.
Okay, so ako naman, I'm Pao. I'm currently the Creators and Communities Lead of Pixel. So, I do handle like talents and like really reach out to people. But also on the side, I'm a host. I'm a stage host for Cosplay PH events. So, again, going back to the idea of going full circle, parang sa mga nagsa-start pa lang mag-cosplay, would you think na balang araw, darating yung time na cosplaying would become a source of income for you guys possible? So, parang yun ang ating hobby to hustle.
Yes.
Hobby to hustle.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasundan yun. But anyway, guys, I'm Nikki. I co-host 3 Geeks, 1 Table, which is a nerdy podcast where we usually talk about the board games we played
I love
every
that.
week. So, I'm a freelancer right now. I used to work for a tabletop RPG company called The World Anvil Publishing as a community manager. Tapos, nawalan ako ng trabaho. Nawalan ako ng trabaho, so nag-start ako ng something else. Other than 3 Geeks, 1 Table, I also co-own a board game cafe called NPC Cafe.
That's so cute.
So,
Okay, alam na natin
diba?
saan tayo pupunta pagkatapos.
Yes.
Ano kami mamaya?
Nawala na. So, loss of job, more opportunity came in.
Yeah.
Every loss, there's a win.
Yeah.
Nag-inspire yun siya, no?
Parang rejection is redirection.
Correct.
Ganun pala yung peg ng episode na to. Paramihan ng inspirational quotes.
And going to that, lahat tayo alam ko may mga different stories. Pero parang ano yung naging ano nyo? Paano kayo napuntahan nyo ngayon?
Kung nasan
Diba?
man tayo
Kung nasan
ngayon.
man kayo ngayon. Nag-start ako nung alam mo yung mga casual. Lahat naman ata tayo dito.
Yeah, we start
casual lang.
Casual lang talaga.
Parang ano ba yan? Parang ganun lang. Ano meron dito?
Parang tinawag lang. Alam mo yung tinawag ka ng tropa na, uy, pwede ka mag-i-live mo, shoutcast mo nga yung mga pa-room namin. Kasi di ba usually sa gaming, lalo na sa competitive games, may access mag-screams.
Yes.
And sobrang prevalent talaga siya sa mga scenes natin ngayon. So, nag-shoutcast ako, nila-live stream ko lang, ganun. And up until, may isang, siguro mga nag-work siya under PUBG Mobile. Then sabi nila, uy, Ray, mag-shoutcast ka na ng big events. Wait lang.
Hold on.
So, pero parang gano'n, nagsimula sa mga clan, mga pa-tournament. Dati for free until parang, uy, may TF na. Then until napunta na ako sa Valorant, nag-submit ako ng audition video kasi sinabi sa akin ng Mineski.
Ay,
Sinabi
There
sa
we
akin ng
go.
Mineski. Sabi si Direk YB pa yon.
Nako, direct YB.
Sabi ni YB San, kasi nag-sub lang ako doon before. Then sabi niya, mag-ano ka doon, mag-audition ka. Ano bang rank ba sa Valorant? Sabi ko, pag gold. Hindi naman ako, diamond, immortal. Sige, mag-pass ka. Pumasa ako! So after no, nag-manifest ng everything. And I've been doing shoutcasting for the past 6 years.
Wow.
So talagang, thank you, Mineski.
YB, fan mo pala to eh.
Oo. YB at saka buong Mineski up until now. Talagang
Nice, nice.
magandang working relationship. O, diba?
Saktong magkatabi pa kayo dyan.
Oo nga eh.
So, yun yung sa akin. Yun yung naging history ko. Talagang ang galing, diba? From a fan ka lang or casual, talagang yun yung naging passion mo for the next years of your life.
Totoo. Pero does it happen to you, like to you guys, to anyone, na even if we're doing something that we're really passionate about, no? Parang this is something na, parang you just do it for fun, right? And the next thing you know, you're doing it for a living.
Yes.
And who doesn't want to do what they want to do for yung for a living na nila yung talagang gusto nilang ginagawa. But do you guys agree na burnout is still possible?
Of
Yes.
course,
Sa
of
ganun.
course. Burnout talaga. It's your biggest enemy.
That's true.
Kasi when you're doing something that you're passionate about, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, when you like what you're doing, it's not a job anymore. Pero when you're doing it, as you keep doing it, andun yung time na talagang feeling mo it's starting to turn into a chore.
Yeah.
And then that's when burnout
That's true.
really sets in.
Tapos parang minsan you end up, parang nawawala yung spark mo for one thing that you love to do. Pero I guess one of the things that make it nice na if we're doing what we love to do as a form of living, kahit may burnout, it's relatively easier to bounce back. Kasi parang it's still something that at the end of the day, it's down within you. Mahal mo yung ginagawa mo eh. Unlike, let's say, mababurnout ka na nga sa isang bagay na ayaw mo pang gawin. So parang double struggle.
Feel ko it
Totoo.
depends din sa industry. Feel ko kasi ako, passionate ako sa games. Pero let's all be real, yung gaming industry dito. not esports ha. The gaming industry here in the Philippines. It's sad.
So as a whole.
As a
It
whole.
is, yeah.
Ang daming layoffs. Ang daming, lalo na sa experience ko here maraming layoffs, maraming redirections. So sometimes parang gusto mo na lang maging, alam mo yung naduka na sa consumer side of things. Ayaw mo na lang na ikaw yung gumagawa nun. Pero as a host naman, I think pasaya pa rin naman siya. Pero it's just that the gaming or esports never sleeps.
Yes.
So talagang kapag
Yeah.
nag-miss ka ng isang gig, ang laking ng loss sa'yo yun. 'Di ba? So, I think ang maganda talaga is to take a break. Sana to like pause
Totoo.
and stop, 'di ba?
With regards to burnout kasi, I feel like when you feel you're burning out, you have to meditate. Eto, kasi yan eh, like, I learned this way back pa naman. When you get burned out, when you get, like, stressed, you have to parang hatiin mo, ano yung things that you can control, and ano yung things na hindi, like, out of
That's
your
fair.
control.
Yeah.
Most of the things that burn us out kasi are things out of our control. And usually, environment factor siya.
Yes.
So the moment na you accept that, parang it's easier for you to move forward and to like isipin ko ano yung next.
Yeah.
Sometimes kasi we take a break and pero we kind of brood in the fact na parang we kind of parang naghahanap tayo ng bakit.
Yeah.
But it's more of the simple fact that, you know what, this is not something for me to think about. I should move on from it.
Yes, one from it. Yeah.
Parang kung work lang.
Yes.
Work lang din
Work
pala
lang.
talaga.
And gets ko naman, especially when it comes to passion, it's very hard kasi to separate yourself from something you're passionate
Yeah.
about.
That's
Yes,
true.
That's true.
Pero kasi, like, halimbawa, we're not the decision makers or like the final decision makers when it comes to, especially to games. The games are promoting their own brands, they have their own timeline that we can't really control that. And yun yung mahirap kasi working with Mineski, like, I wanted to do a lot of things. But of course, the games themselves and like the community mismo, it's not something I can control eh.
Yeah.
So, if I got frustrated by every little thing, I would have burnt out for 3 months.
true.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Introducing Agora's conversational AI engine. Build and integrate your AI agent in minutes. Any model, any voice. Start building your voice AI agent for free today.
At lalo na din kapag nagsha-shoutcast ka, di ba kapag nagsha-shoutcast ka, ang daming comments.
Yes.
Di ba? Parang, lalo na as a woman,
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
at siya na naman, babae na naman yung shoutcaster. Dati, nung nag-start pa lang ako, minsan talaga, hindi mo maiwasan maging emotional about it. Pero as the time goes by, kailangan mo nga talagang i-separate. Hindi ka naman na doon para to please them eh. Doon ka
Yes.
para to please si Mileski. At totoo yun. Pero to like perform on a scale. And doon ko lang nalaman na hindi naman pala everything is kailangan according sa gusto nila. Diba? Parang ano lang yan, parang sa food lang, hindi naman lahat may gusto ng ganitong type of food. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
okay.
That's
pala.
okay. Tsaka gusto ko yung sinabi mo na hindi naman sila nandun. Ako yung nandun eh. Like, y'all are just
Oh,
one.
yes.
I'm the one who's here.
Yes.
Hello. Snap, snap, snap. Yun lang. Parang it also shows na when we like what we do, when we turn something that we are truly passionate about, nakikita siya with how we
Yes.
perform, with how we carry ourselves, with how we handle whatever we're handling. Parang kita mo yung extra spark, extra mile that you do kasi nandun din yung ikaw, you as yourself, you as a person, andun din sa
Ginagawa mo.
ginagawa
Yeah.
mo. Yeah.
And kagaya kay ma'am, like, she's very passionate. Sorry, ate. Being polite. Ang tawag dito, very passionate about board games to the point
Yeah.
that you have NPC cafe, right?
Yes, yes.
So parang, yun nga, she couldn't control how her employers move, diba? So she made her own.
Exactly.
Ako na bahala.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Ako na. Rejection is redirection. Ito na naman tayo.
Ito pala pang career loss pala to. Yung
Yes.
loss sa
Turning fandom, no! Career loss, guys. What career loss does to you. Pero, at the end of the day, parang that's also na we end up discovering more things about ourselves. Na when we start on this little thing, when we started like with free gigs, ganyan, or a simple passion or interest sa board game, suddenly, ay, kaya ko pala magpa-cafe. Who would have thought naglalaro lang ako one time? Later on, bigla may sarili na akong cafe. And that's like kind of like what led to it. We end up discovering stuff about ourselves na our past selves would have thought.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Kaya
exactly.
pala natin gawin.
Kasi especially if you're an introvert. Introvert ka, di ba? I mean, I'm a big introvert. Hindi ko in-expect na magpa-podcast ako for one.
Diba?
Like, ang daldal ko sa podcast. Ang daldal ko dun sa podcast namin, like, we would talk about anything and everything under the sun. And then, another thing is, humaharap ako sa tao. Like, ako ba to? Bakit ako humaharap sa tao?
Andito tayo ngayon. Why are we
Yeah, we're here right now.
right now, yeah.
So, yeah.
First time lang natin magkakasama. Yan ang dala ng lahat,
Exactly,
diba?
diba?
It's a skill. Ano siya, talagang makukuha mo siya from time to time. Ako nga mismo, wala akong hosting na skill nung college. Biglang pinasabak lang talagang magsalita ng magsalita. So,
Diba?
kailangan para, marami ka lang talagang ideas on your mind para yun yung gagamitin mo para magsalita ka, diba?
And just, siguro, it may be hard. I admit that. It may be hard. Yung belief sa sarili mo na, sige, try natin. Bahala na. I might screw up, I might not be good at this one thing. But who knows, I might be also. I remember a while back, one of the things I said, kasi gusto ko talaga, anime fan, anime girly, lahat naman yata ng anime girlies, gusto natin maging dubbers. Ganun tayo.
Yeah.
Gusto natin maging dubbers. So, gusto ko yun. Sabi ko, sige, Tagalog dub, let's go. Tapos sabi ko pa noon sa some of my friends and in the workshop that I once attended, sabi ko pa, feeling ko, natawa na ako ngayon, feeling ko ang pinaka hindi ko kakayanin mag-host. Nasaan po tayo ngayon? Yan parang, at the end of the day, then an opportunity came, right? Or a spark. Kahit hindi opportunity, there's just this sudden spark. Na what if? Yun na lang, what if, guys? What if? What
Yeah,
if
it's always
gawin
a
ko
big
to?
what if, no?
Try ko. I might fail, but also, what if I won't fail? what if probably I end up liking it? And I mean, all of us here right now, parang lahat tayo ganun yung, try ko nga. Paisa lang, try ko lang tong one
Oo.
time na to. Biglang, boom, here we are.
Yeah, true. Try lang.
Try lang. Tapos ito, kaming apat, nandito na ngayon, nachichikahan. Dahil lang sa try lang. At so, years ago, we had the try lang moment. And then,
Oo.
here we are, yapping our way through this episode.
Like, isn't it always gonna be like that though? Kasi, kung gusto mong ma-achieve na something, you have to try. Kahit scary. Like,
Yeah.
it's extremely scary
It's
to
extremely
start
scary, that's for sure.
to start anything. Especially in the gaming industry.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Alex, sobrang
oo.
sobrang commonly used na yung kailangan di ka matakot. Pero yun talaga yung
Yun
key,
talaga,
diba?
cliche as it sounds. you know?
Yeah. As cliche as it is.
Just do it as cliche as it sounds. Diba?
You really have to go through that fire para ma-realize mo na kaya mo siya sa sarili mo.
Yes.
Kasi if like you will be controlled dun sa takot mo, never mo yung magagawa.
That's
Kasi
true.
sabi nga nila, like ready is not a feeling. It's something that you do.
It's a decision.
Yeah.
Totoo.
We will never be ready, and we will never be ready to wrap up right now kasi ang dami pa namin gustong sabihin.
Pero siguro na lang advice natin, maybe like a 2-sentence advice sa mga taong gustong gawing career yung passion nila. So, let's start of course with I'm a tabletop girl. So, I think it's a good
Pero kasi diba, listen to this, guys. From board game to cafe.
that's the end goal
Yes,
talaga.
yes.
Gumawa ng business.
Yeah. No, kasi it's so advice. Sige. If you're not willing to try it, if you're not willing to risk it all, there's no reward for you that's gonna be satisfying.
Oh.
Ay,
There's a reward.
There's a reward. That's true.
Sa akin siguro, it's, if you're gonna do something you're passionate about, it's gonna hurt a lot. So you have to accept that.
yeah.
That's true.
Totoo yan.
It's painful.
It's freelance eh.
Mm.
Diba? And
Yeah.
ako personally, ako kasi i-romanticize yung freelance. It's hard. Pero ang best advice ko talaga is to always save.
Yes.
Save a lot. Especially kapag you're doing something out of passion.
Yeah, that's
So yun
true.
lang. Naging adult,
Oh
diba?
my.
Pero totoo yun, save a lot.
And that's saka, like, a lot of people, di ba, they want to be shoutcaster, they want to be host, and a lot of people glamorize and romanticize those, talents.
Yeah.
But they don't realize there's a lot of things that's
Going on
going on
the scene,
behind.
yeah.
That's gonna be really hard. So go easier on our talents.
And also, love also the prod.
Yes!
Mga taong
Exactly.
nasa back end.
Nasa back
Sila
end.
talaga sa tingin ko, hindi lang yung host yung may pinakamalaking ambag. Tingin ko, 80%
Everyone, oo.
80% ng things are coming from the back end.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
Totoo yan.
Kung
We
Totoo.
won't
wala si
survive.
business, 'di ba? Kung wala ikaw, paano mag-run yung business, 'di ba? Kung
Totoo.
wala ka behind the games, paano magpa-publish ang isang game?
Exactly.
'Di ba? Parang
Exactly.
lahat talaga, like, we have to appreciate everything. And yun, feel ko yun yung pinaka-best advice din eh. When you gonna be on your passion end of things, you have to appreciate that everyone's working
Yes,
around
true.
you
Yeah.
din.
That's true. Siguro to like quickly wrap things off, it's if you want to do something that you're passionate about or anything na lang, kahit if you want to try something, yun na lang, you have to forget any preconceived notion about yourself.
Yes.
Wag mo sabihin, hindi, introvert ako, ayoko nagsasalita. Gusto ko mag-try mag-hosting, ba't ba?
Bakit ba?
Ba't ba? Gusto ko i-try eh, you know? So, disregard any preconceived notion about yourself. Wag mo munang sabihin hindi mo kaya hanggang hindi mo siya tinatry.
Yeah.
Because sometimes at the end of the day, we try something, then mas nare-realize natin, you know what? Nope, that's not for me. But at least we tried. Yun na
Yeah.
lang, guys. At least you tried. So, don't be afraid. Yun na. Matatakot tayo. It will hurt. It will hurt down the line. We won't like deny that. Pero at least you tried, gave it your all, and na-realize mo sa sarili mo kung if it's for you, cool. If it's not, then at least you tried.
And if it's not
Yes.
for you, at least you have a really funny story to tell.
That's
Yeah. Exactly. Oo.
Thanks to our sponsors, Agora, Tutorials Dojo, Young CTO, Amazon Web Services User Group Philippines, and Facebook subscribers. On to our next episode.